Cook under medium heat. Api yang sedang And for those who want to have an egg, there you go.
Awesome! Dapur Awesome!
Pada yang belum subscribe tu, sila subscribe. Terima kasih.
Hi gang awesome. Hari ni aku nak share macam mana bikin burger patty. Chicken burger patty. Today I'm going to share with you how we going to make chicken burger patty. Okay, why we make our own? Because I think it's more delicious and I think more healthy. Right, we can control the ingredient. Jadi kita boleh control dia bahan-bahan dia. Jadi tak processed food memang tak berapa bagus lah. Jadi ini kita buat sendiri. Jadi apa lagi? Mari kita try. Drizzle some olive oil. Masukkan olive oil sikit. Masukkan minyak zaitun dalam 2 sudu besar, about 2 tablespoon.
Hiya!
Masukkan bawang tadi. Add in the onions. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Satu sudu besar gula. Sugar is to make it caramelize faster. Jadi dia cepat caramelize. Jadi dia ada manis sikit. Black pepper. Lada hitam sedikit lada hitam. Add in chopped garlic. About 2 cloves of chopped garlic. 2 biji bawang putih dicincang. Okay, so cook until it becomes golden. Jadi sampai dia caramelize sikit Okay, once like that, you can off. Dah boleh matikan api. Okay, I have some mint leaf. Ni daun pudina. Petik, masukkan dalam food processor. Just put inside the food processor. Next I have this bread. This kind of bread. Put a few in. Koyak-koyakkan dia sudah, tak payah potong. Just tear it and just put in. Now this one will act as a binder so that it binds the meat together. Roti ni dia akan jadikan satu nanti dia melekat. Jadi dia punya daging dia melekat. Dia tak berderai Selalunya kita gunakan tepung, tapi ni kali kita boleh gunakan roti. You can use flour, but now we are going to use bread. Now I have thyme. Ini thyme Jadi dah siap. Thyme memang dengan ayam ni memang kena thyme. Some thyme. Okay, this will be very fragrant. Bau dia pun wangi. Put in parsley. You can use fresh parsley and then brown it. Boleh pakai freshnya ini daun parsley Lepas tu potong, nanti kita kisar. This one is chicken stock, about 1 and 2 teaspoon. Ni paprika dalam 1 sudu kecil. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay. Last kali kita masukkan ni. We put in this that we sauteed just now. The onions. Cook under medium heat. Api yang sedang Goreng sampai masak. Sorry. Now I'm making the sauce for the burger. Sekarang kita bikin punya sauce untuk burger. Jadi burger dia very simple So it's just a patty, sauce and probably tomato. Alright. So we don't want to overkill that. Mayonnaise about 1 cup. Satu cawan mayonnaise. Lepas tu ni tomato ketchup. About 1 tablespoon. The other one I have this is sweet relish. Kat sini ada sweet relish. Boleh beli dekat Shopee. You can buy this at Shopee. Actually, if you don't have, you can use chopped pickles. Okay, this is relish. So I put 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 teaspoonful. 3 sudu kecil. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, satu sudu kecil cuka. Dan last sekali ni ada paprika sikit. Sikit. About 1/2 a teaspoon Lepas tu kacau. And you have the sauce. Just mix it together. Now you have the sauce for the chicken burger. There you have it. So you have the chicken patty. So this is the sauce. You can spread it over here. And for those who want to have an egg, there you go. This is your chicken burger. Why not you try again? Awesome!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.